Alright, buckle up, travel junkies. Today we're blowing the lid off some crazy airport secrets airlines don't want you to know. Get ready to have your mind blown with these 12 insider tips. We are exposing some real airport secrets today, so let's jump right in. Hey, it's Matt Parr, and here at Trip Expert, we help you travel worldwide. 1. Airport design manipulates you to spend more. Do you ever feel like you're traveling a mile to your gate, dodging perfume stands and expensive sunglasses? You're not crazy. Airports use the Golden Walk. They purposefully build terminals with lengthier walking paths via duty-free zones and stores. Maximizing spending is key. Cozy carpets, nice lighting, and soothing music, they're more than decoration. They're scientifically intended to lower inhibitions and increase spending. Duty-free islands call, right? This may make you feel that the airport has your personal data and is planning to spend your money without your consent. The airport layout, bathrooms, and signage are carefully intended to assist you on this golden walk. Airports make a lot of money from retail and food sales, so they want to make it easy and pleasant to spend money. Airport designers realize that the longer you stay, the more chances you have to shop. The flashy displays, tempting restaurant smells, and strategically situated chairs are all part of the game. 2. Your luggage might be out of control. Okay, this is scary. Airport officials cannot manually trace your suitcase after it leaves the check-in counter. Barcode systems and conveyor belts are trustworthy, yet one erroneous scan or old label can send your bag to the wrong country. An absolute travel nightmare. Buy a luggage GPS tracker. Seriously, always photograph your stuff during check-in. This gives you visible proof if it goes missing. The complex conveyor belts and scanning technologies that deliver your stuff are impressive, but not infallible. Your package may be diverted due to human mistake, technical issues, or barcode misreading. Airlines handle millions of baggage annually, therefore, some will go missing. Although luggage loss is unlikely, you should still take precautions. Taking a snapshot of your bag before checking it in is a simple but efficient technique to document its appearance and contents for a lost luggage claim. Buying a GPS tracker can help you find your backpack if it goes missing by providing real-time updates. 3. Airplane food wasn't made today or even this week. Get ready. The tray of food you're eating at 30,000 feet, it was probably cooked 10 plus hours before your travel, and the menu was planned months before. Airline menus are tested early to minimize costs. Real penny pinching. One airline saved $40,000 a year by removing one olive from salads. One olive. Perhaps bring snacks your stomach will appreciate. Airplane meal preparation and service are complicated. Airlines must meet a variety of nutritional needs while controlling costs. This implies airline food is mass-produced and geared for long-term preservation and reheating. Food is made in huge kitchens at airports and carried to flights in refrigerated trucks. Passengers receive it after onboard ovens warm it. Though not gourmet, aircraft food is safe to eat. You should carry your own snacks and meals if you have dietary constraints. 4. Airport carpets are a psychological trap. Have you ever felt so relaxed at your gate that you could nap on the floor? It's intentional trip fatigue. Smart design psychology uses low ceilings and soft carpets to soothe you. Airlines know calmer passengers spend 7-10% more in airport retailers. Subliminal messaging at its best. You probably didn't think this could fool you. Airports are stressful due to long lineups, crowded terminals, and travel anxiety. Airport designers utilize several methods to soothe the atmosphere. Low ceilings bring a room together, while soft carpets reduce noise and make walking more comfortable. Calming colors, natural light, and plants can also alleviate stress and improve the surroundings. To encourage airport shoppers and diners to spend money, passengers should feel more calm and comfortable. 5. Charging stations can steal your data. Free USB charging stations in the airport may save your phone, but they're also hacker havens. Users can install malware over USB ports by juice jacking. Always plug your own charger into a wall. Buy a USB data blocker or USB condom. That's real. Data communication is blocked while charging your device. People, be careful. Digital security is crucial. If you protect your personal info, airport security will appreciate it. Juice jacking uses USB ports to install malware or steal data from linked devices. Hackers can install malicious software on public USB charging stations to steal passwords, bank account information, and credit card data. Use your own charger and electrical socket whenever feasible to avoid energy jacking. Use a USB data blocker to restrict data flow between your device and a public USB charging station. 6. The best time to book a flight is Tuesday afternoon. Listen up, deal hunters. Most people don't know that airlines post lower fares on Monday nights and competitors match them by Tuesday afternoon. The best flight prices are usually found on Tuesday afternoons. Booking between 3 weeks and 4 months before your vacation enhances your chances of getting the best pricing. Try different things to see what works. Understanding what works and what doesn't helps you travel cheaply. Airlines utilize complicated algorithms to price flights optimally. These algorithms include demand, competition, and season. Monday night discounts are often offered by airlines to boost demand. Competitors usually match these fares by Tuesday afternoon. This allows smart passengers to purchase cheaper flights. However, airplane prices fluctuate quickly. Be flexible with your vacation dates and use flight comparison tools to research airline tickets to locate the lowest flights. 7. TSA has a secret loophole for liquids. The 100 milliliters liquid rule is well known, but there are exceptions. Baby formula, breast milk, frozen liquids, and pharmaceuticals are allowed in bigger quantities. The catch? Declare them to TSA agents. Don't slip one past. Bonus tip: join TSA PreCheck if you fly often. It helps you avoid long security lines and keep your shoes on. I promise it's game-changing. If you fly often, TSA PreCheck is worth it. TSA's 311 liquids restriction prevents passengers from bringing harmful liquids or gels on planes. Certain medical or personal things are exempt. Frozen beverages are allowed since they pose no security risk. Infant formula and breast milk are authorized for traveling families. Medicines are authorized so people can get them while traveling. Declare these items to TSA officers and be ready to show a doctor's note or prescription to prevent delays or hassles at security. 8. Public Wi-Fi can be a trap. Free airport Wi-Fi is tempting while you're killing time before your journey. But beware. Airport Wi-Fi is generally unsafe, exposing your data to hackers. Use a VPN to encrypt your browsing and protect your sensitive data if you must connect. Making a tiny investment now can prevent many problems later. Remember, online security is crucial. Protecting personal data is crucial. Data transmitted via public Wi-Fi networks is commonly unencrypted. Hackers can more easily take your personal details. Internet traffic is encrypted via a VPN, making it harder for hackers to steal data. Select a VPN provider with a good security and privacy record. 9. VIP lounges are cheaper than you think. Think only first-class flyers use VIP lounges? Think again. Not everyone needs a first-class ticket to enjoy airport luxury. Airport lounges often sell day tickets for cheaper than a poor hotel stay. Free meals, baths, nice sitting, and quiet locations to relax or work are fantastic. Certain credit cards give lounge access for free. Check credit card benefits. You may be surprised. Some airport VIP lounges are cheaper and better than hotels. Airport lounges provide many options to make your trip more pleasant. Lounges usually include free food and drinks, comfy seating, Wi-Fi, and showers. Business centers, meeting rooms, and spas are available in several lounges. Airport lounge day passes can be bought online or at the entry. The average day pass is $30, $60. Free lounge access is a feature of many credit cards. Check your credit card perks for free lounge entry. 10. Free upgrades are possible, if you time it right. This is a long shot, but worth a chance. Dressing nicely and checking in early help, as do frequent flyer programs. These may boost your chances of getting upgraded to business class if economy is overbooked. Seat maps should be checked 3 and 4 days before takeoff. When airlines reorganize, you may find great upgrading possibilities. You must look good. Who would upgrade someone in sloppy clothes? It's surprising how much appearance affects upgrade chances. Overbooked economy class customers may receive complimentary upgrades. Airlines may upgrade travelers based on frequent flyer status, check-in time, and dress code. Airline seat maps are usually released 3 or 4 days before takeoff. The seat map shows how full the aircraft is and if business class seats are available. Early arrival can boost your upgrading chances. Dress well to boost your chances. 11. TSA swab tests don't check for germs. Ever notice those TSA agents swabbing your hands or belongings? They're not checking for germs, folks. They're actually checking for trace amounts of explosives or chemical substances. They use sophisticated scent recognition technology to detect these materials, often without you even realizing it's happening. That swab is not there to help you sanitize yourself. The TSA uses trace detection technology to screen passengers and their belongings for explosives and other dangerous substances. The technology works by swabbing passengers' hands and belongings with a small pad. The pad is then analyzed by a machine that can detect trace amounts of explosives or chemical substances. The process is quick and non-invasive. 12. Lost baggage is often avoidable. Nobody wants their luggage lost. Link delays and obsolete luggage tags cause most bag losses. Remove all bag tags and apply a personal ID tag with your contact details to avoid this trip tragedy. Consider an AirTag luggage tracker for extra security. Using these monitoring gadgets, several tourists have found their bags faster than the airline. Lost luggage is a regular travel issue. Connection delays and obsolete luggage tags might mislead baggage handlers. Eliminating any baggage tags can help avoid confusion. A personal ID tag with your contact details can help airline staff find your missing bag. AirTag luggage trackers can provide real-time location information. Now you know the hidden manipulation tactics and the best way to find discounted fares. If you enjoyed these insights, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips and adventures, and share this video with your fellow travel buddies. Let's expose all these airline secrets. Now, if you want to track your trips and everywhere you've been, including cities, hotels, restaurants, and see travel stats of everywhere you've been, make sure to download Trips app, which is completely free and available for both Android and iOS. Now check out this video on the screen if you want to discover how to travel the world for super cheap and how to potentially make money traveling. This is how I've visited over 50 countries easily, flying first class for cheap. It's basically a free course for doing this. I'll see you there.